Hey, Mr. Carrera,
Yes.
you brought this case before the court. What's going on?
Yes. So I brought this case before you because I'm currently paying for extracurricular activities for our daughter.
Okay.
And it's a little bit more money than I thought it was going to be. So I would like my wife, Sheila, to reimburse me for it.
Okay. So you guys are separated?
Yes.
Okay. What type of extracurricular activities is the child involved?
So our daughter is very big into sports.
Okay.
So she plays soccer, and it's just like the cost of cleats, the cost of like gloves, because she plays goalie. It's just a lot of upkeep for me.
Tempers flare the moment Mr. Carrillo walks into the courtroom. He insists his ex-wife should cover the cost of their daughter's high-end soccer equipment. Cleats, gloves, uniforms. The bills keep stacking up and is done paying alone. But here's the twist. They are no longer together, and she's pulling in a six-figure income. So should she be responsible for the expenses? The judge isn't letting ANY of this slide. And what comes next catches everyone off guard.
It's just like the cost of cleats, the cost of like gloves, because she plays goalie. It's just a lot of upkeep for me, and she makes more money than I do, so I kind of want help with it.
Okay. I see here, ma'am, from the tax returns that you make about $100,000 a year.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Child support was not previously ordered.
Yes.
Okay. So are you guys in agreement to do that? Or you don't want to pay child support? What's going on?
I don't think it's necessary. We split her 50-50. She's at my house just as much. She's with me just as much, if not more.
Your Honor, I would say that's probably an argument for her to pay me. If we're splitting 50-50, I shouldn't have to pay all of it.
A shock hits the courtroom. Mom earns nearly $100,000 a year, yet she refuses to contribute a single dollar. The judge raises an eyebrow, especially when Dad drops the real bomb. They share 50-50 as custody. If we're equal parents, why am I covering every expense? His voice echoes through the room, leaving everyone silent. Will the judge finally make her take responsibility? What happens next leave the entire courtroom stunned.
I would say that's probably an argument for her to pay me. If we're splitting 50-50, I shouldn't have to pay all of it.
That's exactly what I was getting ready to say. So you kind of like told on yourself. So you ready to move forward with the numbers?
Sure.
Okay, well, let's go ahead and get ready with the numbers. So it looks like you make, like I said, $100,000 a year. Do you work overtime, or is that regularly what you make?
No, I work overtime. But
Okay. And does that include overtime?
yes, ma'am. It's a salaried position, so it's just straight out.
Okay, got it. All right. So at $100,000 a year, I have your gross at $10,000 a month.
Now it's decision time. The judge starts breaking down the finances, and Mom's six-figure income is front and center. But then comes a curveball. She says her overtime shouldn't count because she's salary only. The judge shuts that down instantly. Your gross income is roughly $10,000 a month. The judge rules. But once health insurance adjustments come into play, the numbers shift again. The total support, Sheila, you're not ready for this one.
All right. So at $100,000 a year, I have your gross at $10,000 a month. Wait, before I continue, who pays health insurance?
We both do.
We both.
Okay, how much do you pay?
$348 or $386. I believe.
$386,
Yeah, $386.
okay.
And I
how
pay
much?
$200.
Okay, and you both plan on maintaining those health insurance policies?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, great. That way, nobody has to reimburse anybody for health insurance, but because you do carry health insurance and you're going to be ordered to pay child support, I can give you credit for the $386. So that brings your net down to $6,988.19. Which, how many children? Just one?
Just one.
The judge brings a hammer down. Mom's official child support, $1,391.64 per month. Her expression freezes. Shock, anger, disbelief all at once. That's excessive, she pushes back. But the judge cuts her off immediately. You earn six figures. This is a legal calculation. Silence fills the courtroom. Will she swallow the ruling? Or is another battle coming? The tension is off the charts.
Your net down to $6,988.19. which, how many children, just one?
Just one.
Okay, so 20% of that brings your child support obligation to $1,391.64. That should cover any expenses and anything like that because the child is heavily involved. Sounds like in extracurricular activities, excuse me. Are there any other questions?
Nope.
You don't look happy about this. What's going on?
I just think that it's a bit of an exorbitant amount, but we discussed it in the beginning when the split happened. He agreed and
agreed to what amount?
The judge doesn't sugarcoat anything. As children get older, expenses rise, support rises too. Mom tries to push back, but the court shuts it down instantly. You picked this income. Now you carry the responsibility. The message is unmistakable. She has to pay. As the hearing ends and they walk out, one question hangs heavy in the air. Will she follow the order, or will this fight start all over again? The saga might just be beginning.
In the beginning, when the split happened, he agreed and
agreed to what amount?
None.
Oh, you're saying child support. But you do understand that as the child gets older and, heavily involved in different activities, I wasn't done.
Oh.
Involved heavily in different activities, you understand that expenses increase.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, and the amount of child support is based on how much money you make. Mm-hmm. Child support is based on a simple calculation. So you make $100,000 a year, that's what your child support is. I mean, if you want it to be lower, you chose the profession.
Yeah.
Okay, so if there's nothing further, you all are dismissed.
The gavel drops and the hearing is over, but the argument isn't. Should parents with bigger paychecks contribute more? Was this justice or too much? Tell us what you think below. If you stand with the court's decision, make sure to subscribe for more intense courtroom stories. Because one thing is certain, child support doesn't care about ego or excuses. Will mom step up and do what's ordered? Only time will reveal the truth.